Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Chippa United 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Not a good game in terms of goal scoring opportunities or goals, right? Before ngikhuluma game, again, I want to say I'm sorry to everyone who subscribed on my previous account, right? Please like on this one, please share, and please subscribe. Now, back to the game. I'm going to show you clips of Antabai 3, right? Let's start. The first one, Miguel. Buffett. I think a technical team Chiefs, they need to rest him. You can't do that. Hey, now, Baba, you. That was a beautiful opportunity. Beautiful opportunity. By the mistake, what do? The first touch is not good. Come on. And he didn't even get a chance in the whole game. Now let's have a look. He scans, right? He scans, he looks to his right. Now, the way Avulanga corner, man. The way Avulanga corner. Because you're supposed to run there. Then you open up your body. You tap on your left, then pass it that side. Not this pass, because it's not like Agaboni, this guy. Why am I trap? That was the first mistake. Trap people again, because no one is behind you. The second mistake is from the keeper. Because when you pass someone in the middle or on the side, you need to tell them, turn. Or umbonis pasa ngapha. Angithi nakabone emuva kwakhe. Right? Okay, uskenile, but maybe let's say akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Right? You as a keeper, you need to say go to the left or pass to the right, or uyamtshela ukuthi turn with the ball. Figueroa, mfana kithi. Again, Miguel. Okay, Miguel. Long pass. Mara bafethu. I think ufuna ukuyisa Chiefs ku relegation. Like izinto azenzayo Miguel. Ngathi ufuna ukuyisa Chiefs ku relegation. Angeke understand mfana kithi. The first one of the things that you are taught as a central defender or as a defender, don't let the ball bounce. Let me take it back. Phambili. Look at his body structure. Ukijima so. Right? Nothing wrong there. Okay, let's say there's nothing wrong. But you can see the ball from far. Why don't I hit the ball? And the ball lishaya kuphi? Behind him enyaweni. Yini lobo uyibhekile. Yes, okay, bekuyifoul. It was a foul, and then he lashaya isandla. Mara. Look, this is the ball. Now Mumikala, this is the striker here. There's a lot of space here. Now Lipola Lieza. Go and hit the ball. Why don't I hit the ball or upase ukwinyika la SIT? No, this guy wants to see Chiefs relegated. Let's leave the negative things behind. Let's talk about something positive. Uvelipai. That's the winger. That's a perfect winger. Someone when they receive the ball, they already know what they want to do. Ne, ayengikhuluma ukuthi abobani bayenzani, who's not good, who's not who's indecisive. Ne, but this boy, I'm just gonna show you a few clips, a few moments that when he gets the ball, he knows ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Hayi ukuthi kumele acabange ebholweni, now he has to think on the ball. No, look at this. He knows what to do. Already he knew ukuthi when I get it, ngitaka in ngiyashaya. Another clip of Uveli Pai. This guy is going to be a problem. Good cross, bad finish. Good cross, bad finish. Unlucky though, because he bounced. But this boy is going to be a problem. Watch what happens when he gets the ball. He knows already ukuthi uzoyenzani. He doesn't think on the ball. He doesn't think on the ball. Most players uzochepa ibhola bese afuna ukucabanga khana afuna ukubheka, and then no. Mawuchepa, you already know ukuthi okay, ngiyaphuma or ngiyangena. Okay, one last clip ka Veli. This boy is going to be a problem. Ushota nje nge-confidence. Watch. I showed you 3 clips. Then the first one, take her in, was shy. The second one, take her in, was closer. The third one, outside. He knows as soon as Magal told the ball. That's what I'm impressed about. He doesn't think on the ball. Magatoli Paula, he knows it's okay. His space is up, nyang up. His space is up, nyang up. Am I close to Emapalini or am I far? You know, just omuyumutu because ushai the first time ushai target. Omuyumutu because ufuna ukushaya even if ugude. You know, that's the good part about him that I saw. He knows when to cross, when to shoot. Second half, guys. Okay, I showed you a video of 2 people. Mikhail, no Veli Pai. Now I'm gonna show you what I liked about Chippa United. They have to stop playing Muabad because that guy, Matakasafunu Ukalilia Chip, maybe wants to go overseas or Ranja. Before that, you know, I didn't do any technical analysis of the game because these teams in J way too bayadlala nje. There's nothing technical that they did in terms of scripted movements, scripted plays, like I always say, you know, because they didn't do something consistently, you know, patterns of play. Abayenzanga is courtesy for me to say, okay, this was the game plan near Chippa, this was the game plan near Chiefs. Now, goalkeeper, right? They have to stop playing Umwapalu. Hey, look at the space here. Hey, Chippa. Watch this save. Oh. Beauty. Mele bayeke ukudlalisa the Nigerian keeper. Mwabali. I know. This guy is good. Beautiful shot. Beautiful save. One last clip bese ngiyayivala. Watch this guy. Hey. Keep it simple, man. Keep an eye on him. Watch. Nalaba ngazi bayenzani. 3 3. So only 1 ball. 3 of you in 1 ball. The guy bengimsekelile ukhona la. I don't know if this is good or bad. But okay. Continue. Vilakazi should have done better here with your first touch, my boy. Great save by the keeper there. Great save by the keeper. That's why I'm showing you this clip. Because of the beautiful save by the keeper. They'll show you another highlight here, another angle. I mean, ne? uVilakazi's first touch imlimazile la. Eish, let me check. Nine. Wait a little. Makancane. His first touch, why ngithi his first touch bengekho that good? Because now it gives him one option, ne? Because the ball is too close to his right foot, ne? It gives him one option to shoot this side. So if the ball was slightly this side, now he has two options. It's either ulisa le or ulisa uso. But because Lila, he can't do this. He can't open up his body. Uzolimala. He can't open up his body. Ulenzani ugcina ulisa on the left side of the keeper. Keeper makes a slight touch, but you can't be too critical on the boy, youngsters. That's why I don't like young players who are big teams, because you have to give them that leeway, that space which they want to improve. The time we are dropping points, yeah, and you understand. I like players who are going to deliver. You must deliver. Huh? Like I said earlier, Bafethu, Ngiyaxolisa. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you for watching.